Have you ever started sewing only to have your stitches pull apart? Let's fix that. Today I'm going to show you how to backstitch and to secure your stitches in place, and that way all your hard work stays put. This is what can happen to your fabrics and stitches when you don't use a backstitch. Let's take a look at actually backstitching and the results we get. On the baby lock we have two buttons that will secure our stitches. We have our backstitch button, and that moves the fabric forwards and backwards to lock in our stitches. And we have the secure in place, and that will actually take the needle up and down to tie a knot in place and not overlap the stitches. So it's a nicer look to our fabric, but both will secure your stitches in place. After completing our backstitch, you can see how well our stitches hold together, and even with pulling on the fabric, these stitches are not coming loose, so your projects are going to stay together longer. And that's it. Now you know how to backstitch. You'll be stitching like a pro in no time. Make sure and like and subscribe so that you can get more helpful sewing tips from us. Happy sewing! If you liked what you saw today, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to receive those notifications, make sure you click on the bell icon. Thanks for letting us turn your inspiration into a creation.